marine trade, we're working in the harshest conditions, so reliability really is key. Cordless is ideal, like the health and safety aspects of not having corded tools across the workshop. To minimise the hazards and the risk around the water is always paramount. For us, having reliable tools is important. We're working offshore and we haven't got access to shops or suppliers, so we need the robust reliability that Milwaukee brings us. Having the Milwaukee steel storage caster trolleys is great in the workshop environment. We're able to take the tools to the equipment. Obviously, a lot of the vessels and equipment we're working on is too big to move around the shop. The ability to move our tools to the workpiece is a real advantage again. Milwaukee offers a complete range of solutions for our teams working on board.